Alright, yo, what's up guys? G Productions here, and today I'm going to show you how to install Acuity shifter bushings for your 2006 to 2011 Honda Civic Si. What this will do is help you have more precise shifting, and it'll get in gear a lot better, and it'll be a lot more satisfying when you put it in gear. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so what you guys are going to need is a 12mm ratchet with an extension, a 3/16 Allen wrench, a flathead screwdriver or a carbon scraper, a screwdriver, a 14mm wrench, and you probably need 30 to 45 minutes of time. Start off, you have three 12mm little nuts to take out, and then there's a little rubber thing there's rubber pieces on each one of these that we're gonna have to take off to install the new ones. To make it easier myself, I took out all the screws right here, and then I took out the panel right here to make this easier. And I pushed it back, that way I have full access, that way I won't lose anything. What you want to do is put a rag right here or something to make it so you'll catch anything that would fall, to make it a little bit easier. All right, so got my 12mm, so we're gonna take it off. It takes a little bit of effort. Okay, I have them all loose, so now let's take them out. Okay, so now that you got all these nuts out, get in these little edges to take out that bearing, and you're gonna take out that rubber piece. It's actually not horrible, it's just a cheap rubber. Alright, nice. I was able to take them all out with it was pretty easy. It took like 10 minutes. Time to install these cool Acuity base bushings. Now when you guys install these shifter bushings, you will need a 3/16 Allen wrench. Get this part that it came with and put it underneath this, and then you want to put one with that says Acuity on top. Okay, so now that you have all of them in, that's not all tight. Now you want to go ahead and tighten, and then make sure you connect this cable back. With that said, let's now go for a test drive. I got my mask on because it's coronavirus right now. Yeah, so right off the bat, it feels very smooth. It goes in gear pretty easily. I just started, so my car's still warming up. Going in first gear is pretty easy. Yeah, it's so much better than stock. Yeah, it goes right in gear. It's really good, really nice. Fourth gear, smooth. So not only do I have the base bushings in, I also have the shifter bushings. And if you do get it, you should definitely get both. Base bushings make it go in gear really good. The shifter bushings make it smooth to go in gear. So I definitely would suggest get the Acuity base bushings and the shifter bushings if you don't already have like a short shifter. So I'm going on the freeway right now. It's raining, so I don't want to push it. Before I had the base bushing, going into fifth gear was kind of like a struggle. It wouldn't want to go in. Same with sixth gear. But with these bushings, it goes right in. That's gonna wrap this video up. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. And yeah, G Productions out. Got my mask on because it's coronavirus season, so I'm just trying to be safe.
It's not season.